Yeah.
This is the best thing I've always made.
Oh! Oh! I think you need to clean it a little bit more, Byron.
Yeah, I think so too.
I think we're good.
I think we're good.
Yeah, it's actually really clean.
So this is how you play frisbee golf with the Arrma.
Hey, good stuff. Go, 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 go. I just want to say I really appreciate all the work that we've done together throughout this amazing time that we've been working together, Byron. So I want to get you a Christmas present that you don't care about.
Oh.
Merry Christmas,
A Fury. Oh boy, this is going to be fun to destroy.
Oh, so you know what it was?
What?
The color of it?
Oh no, I don't know the color of it.
Okay, good. Yes, I saw it real quick. I was like, no.
Hold on.
What? Don't look up the part number.
It's a T3. So hold on. Got the purple one.
Dang it, Byron! I wanted it to be a true surprise.
Why'd you get it purple?
So what are we doing here today, Byron?
Oh. Well, Brett got me a Christmas present. Merry Chrysler present. And we're gonna see how long this thing lasts.
Oh, that's so nice of you unboxing.
Yeah, I just wanted to be like you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And be nice with the Arrmas.
Yeah, you gotta be nice.
As you can see.
As you can see. So, we've been wanting to get a couple of Arrmas in the channel.
Look how beautiful that is. It's for baby girl.
Can we go to Walmart real quick? I need to get a canister.
That's very nice.
I actually like purple, not gonna lie.
Oh, do you?
This one, you don't take the body off. Oh, it's brushless. I didn't know it was brushless.
Yeah, you thought it was brushed?
Yeah.
No, it's brushless.
Oh, dope.
So I'd do 50 out the box.
Well, we're about to find out about that. I hope these batteries fit. These are thick. These are thickums.
They're fitting.
If they are going to fit that. May not.
I got duct tape in the car.
Oh, no, we're not going to do that with these batteries.
What battery are you supposed to run in here? The 30 Cs? About 4,000 milliamp? It should
Probably.
fit. Here, you got to read your manual.
Oh, look, it comes with tools. They all come with tools. And just so you know, you didn't have to rip open your bag earlier. They open like this.
Oh. I'm unsophisticated. Wait, you should be wearing the Arrma hat.
I don't wear hats.
You sure you don't want to wear the Arrma hat? It's the first time I've ever seen you read in your life.
Okay, yep.
And it's an Arrma book. Yeah, just smush her down in there.
That's what I'm going to try to do.
Oh. Got it! Hey, I think you forgot to plug it in.
That is. No, I plugged it in. I plugged it in.
I like how this is the first car Byron hasn't chunked across the room after unboxing it, because he knows it's gonna break. Arrma, baby. Bubble wrap makes simple man happy.
And they give you the best controller in the world. Don't worry, we'll success swap this thing.
Yeah, I bet we will.
Does it have punch settings?
You put the polar opposites of the opposites.
Yeah. Yep.
Oh, now she's doing something. Alrighty. Tree shot. You, dude, a tree took out the other one. This is the jump that took out the Creighton. Oh no, she is on her wheels. Oh, dude, it just bounces up in the air. Oh my God.
I hit that rock again.
You hit the same rock?
I think so.
Oh, okay. Oh!
Doing so well, landing on his feet.
I know. Oh! It took a hard left. Oh! Nice. That's what killed the Jado. There we go. Is it rowdy? Yeah. It just stands up in grass. It's crazy. Oh yeah, look at these ruts that it's digging here.
Those are 14 inches deep.
14 inches deep, yeah. Oh my gosh. Could you imagine that thing on 6S? It's already rowdy on 3. Yeah. Oh, almost into the timbers. Arrma. Oh, can it rip a backflip?
I don't know, but we're about to find out.
I think this thing can rip a backflippy. I know, these bearings are great. Good job, Arrma. Oh my God, my leg. That was such a soft landing. That wasn't. Now it's probably broken. We're still good? Oh, nice. It's just dragging that wheel?
Just dragging the wheel.
What broke?
Oh, there's a rock in there.
Oh, that's it? Oh, yeah, that's actually a big rock. Pretty big rock compared to the tire.
Yeah, I was just hanging up and I was like, what the heck is that?
No, not on the turtle again. This thing seems pretty tough so far.
So far, I'm surprised.
It's just got some scrapages. It's Arrma Day. I hear Lexan. All right, guys, we're gonna see Byron hit this big jump. Oh! 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 Clip that one.
That sounded like something ripped. Oh, we're good.
Oh no!
It hits and it shifts it.
I know, that's the same thing I was noticing with my Creighton.
Pretty low, it's horrible.
I'm not a fan of how they shoot off one way or another.
It sideways on the ramp, it went whee!
I know. I don't know what these Arrma cars do where they just shoot off to the side. It's almost like these cars aren't made for BMX tracks.
I know.
Oh!
The other tire's just spinning on the ground. Yeah, it's not made for that.
It's doing surprisingly well in the grass, though. Oh! Surprised it didn't turtle. Oh! Oh!
I had to turn. I saw it going straight towards it. I was like, no!
Hello. They did it again, didn't it?
Yeah.
Just shot off to the side when you give it full power. We're not skilled enough for the punch. That was a good one.
That's because I floored it like very last minute. What was that?
It just took a chunk of dirt right there. The rear letter right there.
It just stopped dead in its tracks.
I didn't think you were gonna slow down. Ow.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
You hit the lip.
It's actually fun.
Yeah?
Oh, okay. Wow.
He has to travel through the corn.
This is not cool cornbread.
Whoa! That's crazy. It's still doing really well.
Yeah.
I think you gotta send her. Oh! You gotta send her over out here.
Go, what way is that?
Nice! Good landing. Started a fire. Look, it started a fire. There's rubber.
Oh no.
I think this thing with the 3D printed paddles would be sick.
Yep.
Nice. She flies pretty good.
She does.
Does it feel faster than the Slash?
Oh no. Oh. Oh, okay.
Just died.
Yep.
So what'd you think, Byron?
Even though we didn't really get to run a full battery through it, it was all right.
Well, good to hear. I'm glad you enjoyed an Arrma. I didn't know if you would or not, or it would just shatter in one jump.
Now we're gonna go and burn it.
Okay. Free purple Lexan. Melted purple Lexan.
So anyways. Oh, come on. Come up.
Oh.
All right. So anyways, guys. It's got a 3S ESC right here.
Yep.
It's got a fan on top of the molder. Oh, that came out. It's got a servo. There's the power button right there. That's about it, guys.
That's the Arrma Fury.
That's Arrma Fury. It's got this weird design. You don't ever want to mess up the transmission.
Oh, it's built into
It's built
the chassis.
into it. You got to take it completely apart. There we
Interesting.
go. There we go. Now, you can see this stupid pin design that they have right here. That's like locked in like this right here. You got to go in and push it down and get it out to be able to pull the pin out. How do you do that without doing this right here?
The little Fury got some balls to her. Got the Fury out here now. We're gonna see how she does in the sand without any paddle tires. Oh, that sounds like a Slash when it gets up and goes. Almost. Here comes the Fury.
It almost got stuck.
Oh, look, those ruts that the Fury left. Oh my gosh. Recovery. Oh. Do you like it? Oh. Nice. Bigfoot took it.
Maybe.
I got you. Oh. It's hitting harder on the Traxxas battery. It's the same thing when it catches air, just whoop, flies back though. Ooh, big old dinosaur egg here, guys. They're spread out all through Texas.
It's a dinosaur egg.
Dinosaur.
They hatched.
They're around here somewhere.
Yep.
Whoa, riding a wheelie, I see. Oh, no worries. Oh, oh, sand everywhere.
Look at the rut.
Oh my gosh, he had it pinned when he put it down. Dang,
Really?
dude, that thing's just wheeling out here.
I don't know how this is gonna go, Brett.
Almost could have hit a backflip. Oh. You're up. Oh my gosh. This Arrma is quick, man. Oh. Bro. It just rides a wheelie. It rides a wheelie any chance that it can.
As fast as it's going, it's just rising right on.
Bro, it rides a wheelie so well.
That's one thing that I will say that Arrma has are good tires. Oh, it does. A lot of wheelie everywhere.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, I stayed on you.
It like went over that hill and just did.
Oh.
Oh!
Yeah, good pull there, Byron. I thought it was either hitting the bench or the barrel.
I don't know what this is, but it's cool looking.
Oh! Oh! Byron said it's cool looking. Not the new body. Nice. Oh.
Surprised this thing. I've been pitting it,
I know.
but I've also been kind of easy on it.
No, you have not been.
Oh, you talked about Brett.
Just holding no throttle down. Battery.
That's it. Oh, what is that?
Wait, there's a lot more sand right here. Oh, that's hot, dude. Well, that concludes one battery in the Fury. If he's gonna put another and go ham with it again, I don't know. The Fury's awesome, man. Honestly.
It's actually kind of cool.
Yeah.
It's actually worth the crap.
Yeah.
This is the best thing Arrma's made.
Yeah, and it's brand new too. So not a lot of people have them yet. But that thing is, look, it looks brutal out there, man.
Yeah. I mean, for being a two-wheel drive car, it's not shabby. I do recommend getting one.
Yeah.
For the price. It can handle up to 3S. That's what I put on it only.
Yeah.
It is brushless. I don't even know what they cost. The same as the Mini Max, I think.
They're actually cheaper than the Mini Max.
We will say one thing. Run Traxxas batteries in these things.
Yeah, after you put the
thing
Traxxas in there, it's way more brutal.
It is just getting after it. Everybody says Traxxas batteries are crap, but I don't agree.
Me neither.
Deuces.
I hope you guys enjoyed the Arrma Fury video. And as always, go buy an Arrma.
Don't buy an Arrma Fury.